Hey everyone, I'm Charlotte from Team Baby Peer, and today I'm going to be sharing some helpful advice for plastic-free July. Since working at Baby Peer, I've made so many plastic-free swaps in the bathroom, so I'm going to share some with you today. So let's take a look. First, let's talk about the easiest swaps you can make in your bathroom, solid bars. So we've got shampoo bars, soap bars and conditioning bars. Easiest swap you can ever make, and it saves loads of plastic in your bathroom. Let's start with one of the first plastic-free swaps I ever made, these Eco Living shampoo bars. These are so good. They lather up really well, they're really creamy, they last ages. This is the new coconut scent, it's so nice. And this is the travel size. This is the wild fig, it also smells delicious. These are perfect for taking when you go abroad and you've just got hand luggage, and it's a great way to try them. If you're looking to swap your shampoo and conditioner bar, this is a perfect plastic-free alternative. This is the Shower Blocks 2-in-1. It's the honey scent, and it is amazing. It's great for an itchy scalp and dandruff, so check that one out. They've also got some really nice shower gel bars. Check out the box, it's so funky. I really like this mango and passion fruit one. It smells amazing and I love the colour of it. They work really well for shaving. As soon as you put them under the water, they turn into gel. I love the naked scent one. Next up, we've got La Mazzina shampoo bars. They've been making solid bars since 2010. The team swear by these. They have a shampoo bar for every hair type. Moving on, we have Fair Squared Fair Trade soap. Their soap bars are cruelty-free and vegan. This has a great backstory. It's made by a Syrian refugee called Soapmaster Kiro. And it comes in this really cute bag, it makes a really nice gift. Next up, we have Walida soap bars. Walida is known for its natural and organic skincare products. The soap bars are gentle on the skin, and this one smells really good. And last but not least, we've got these beautiful handmade soaps by the Soap Mine. These are made locally. This is the Arori bar, it's my favourite, makes a really nice gift. They also do a really nice conditioner bar. I've used this one myself. It leaves your hair feeling really nice and soft. Now let's talk about shaving. This swap is an absolute no-brainer. Ditch the plastic disposable and get yourself a good quality safety razor. Here at Baby Peer, we stock mule razors designed to last a lifetime. Once you invest in the razor itself, all you have to do is replace the blades, £3.50 for a pack of 10. To keep everyone in the house safe, when you're done with your blades, pop them in a blade jar. We sell this lovely mule one, but you can make your own at home. Mule razors are a really easy swap. We have a fab range, one for every budget. Go check them out. Now let's move on to reusable makeup pads. This is such an easy swap and it's so much gentler for your skin. These organic cotton pads by A Slice of Green are by far one of the best swaps I've ever made. They exfoliate your skin, they save so much waste, they wash well and they dry quickly. Now let's move on to another area, plastic-free toothpaste alternatives. We have dent tabs, we have mouthwash tablets and we have bamboo toothbrushes. Check out these Organic mouthwash tabs. You mix them with water and they're good to go. They also have toothpaste tabs. You chew these and they turn into toothpaste. These dent tabs are really popular. We have fluoride and non-fluoride. They're great options for travel and festivals. We have a fab range of bamboo toothbrushes. These hydrofill ones come in different colours so you can kit out the whole family. Last up, we have the Organics floss. This is a great plastic-free alternative. It comes in a glass case and you can buy the refills separately. Now let's talk about plastic-free deodorants. We've got a great range here at Baby Peer. Let's take a look. So first up, we've got this Bjork deodorant. This comes in a cool cork case. It is a crystal deodorant. You have to wet it before you use it and it lasts ages. We've got Earth Conscious. This is my favourite plastic-free deodorant. They're really gentle. We've got lots of nice scents. They come in sticks. We've got tins. These are great for travel. And we've also got bars. These are my favourite. They last ages. So next up, we have the Salt of the Earth deodorants. These are mineral salt deodorants. We have these in crystal, balms and sticks. These are free from harsh chemicals. Plastic-free July isn't about perfection. As we wrap up our video, I want to talk about another important aspect, refills. While completely eliminating plastic from our lives can be challenging, we can reduce our consumption by bulk buying. Check out our Bio-D range. These are 5-litre bottles, they reduce plastic and can save you money in the long run. And that's it for today. We'll share more plastic-free swaps with you soon. Like our video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more. Bye!